Alright guys, so today I'm showing you guys how to install apps or games that are incompatible with your device. So I want to mention a couple of things. First is that this is very stupid and silly because, well, obviously how this works is when developers put their apps or games on the Play Store or App Store, they have to put down the minimum requirements in order for you to be able to your phone has to support in order for you to be able to download that app or game. And what's really silly is that like a lot of these apps or games that might be incompatible, that say that's incompatible with your phone, actually would work on your device or your phone. So it's like it doesn't make any sense. It's really stupid, honestly. You might be asking me how you know that. Well, because in this video, I'm gonna show you the method how to install them, and these apps that say it's not supported with my device actually work completely fine with my device. So it doesn't make any sense at all. I don't understand it at all. So also something else is that if you search up apps or games that are not compatible with your device, they usually don't even pop up. It's kind of weird, right? Because why would it pop up if it's not compatible with your device? So sometimes they pop up, sometimes they don't. It's a little glitchy. But if you click on a link, it brings you directly to the app in the Play Store or App Store. Then it'll come up saying it's not compatible. So that's how you can find it. But yeah, I mean, if you only have, I have multiple phones. That's how I even knew about this because I was like, why doesn't it come up on my other phone? But it came up on my other phone. Then I realized that, and then I went to a link and took me directly to it, and then it says it was incompatible. So it's kind of weird. So like, you only have one phone. There might be a lot of apps or games that you might not even know about because your phone's not compatible with it, even though your phone would still work on it if it was able to download it. Stupid, right? So I'm gonna show you guys a way around this because the whole concept is really silly. Like, yeah, if your phone couldn't support it and actually it didn't work, it would make sense. That's the theory behind it, but that's not the reality behind it. So let me show you guys how this works, okay? So this app right here is actually not compatible with my phone. So for example, we'll go to uninstall, uninstall, right? Then it says right here, guys, this phone isn't compatible with this app. Wow, interesting, right? So if you actually go back here and we type in 11 Labs, it usually will come right up, right? I can go on my other phone right now, and if it does, it'll come right up saying 11 Labs come up right on top, right? 11 Labs reader, whatever. But if we type in specifically, then it might come up and on top like that, but it says this phone isn't compatible with this app. I have no clue why, right? But if you actually scroll down, you go to about this app, and you scroll down, and it will say also compatibility won't work on your device. So I don't know how this even does it because I have the minimum requirements. Like the only thing I can think of is that like my screen isn't because I have another Android, same exact OS version. Everything is just my screens are different because this is a flip phone, so maybe it's the screen doesn't support it. But when I download I'm able to download it and use it, everything works fine. So I mean, it makes no sense. Like I don't know why it's doing that, but yeah, I can see if I'm not on Android 7 or higher, but I'm on Android 13, like my other phone, but it's still not working, which is weird. So yeah, I have no clue why not. So how to pretty much get around this because you obviously you can't download from here from the Play Store because it doesn't let you. All you're going to do is actually go over to like your browser. So I'll go over to Chrome or whatever. I use Chrome and just search up the app or game you're trying to install the APK. So for me, I'm trying to install 11 Labs APK, and then you can try to install it from the website. The website that I do recommend because it's pretty good with most apps it has is APK Peer. So we click on here. This is actually a totally different app, but it actually isn't here. So let me see. So sometimes it'd be like more specific. So let's say we type in 11 Labs Reader APK, and that's it right here. So it's either way, it's gonna take us and say it's incompatible. All right, so let's go back here, but you see right here, it's an APK Peer, which this website is great because this is the right app right here. Cause you see the right picture and all that. But this app is great. This website is great because you can also downgrade Android apps using this website. So if you guys want to know how to downgrade apps, use this website because all you do is scroll down, you click on download APK, and then you go scroll down and click on all versions, and then you can actually download any of the versions. So pretty much you can download older versions. So it's a way to downgrade, apps and games. So it's pretty cool. So if you go to download latest version, or right here, this will come up. You click on install, right, and or if you actually click on like download latest version, sometimes the APK will download, and if you click something, I think if you click on, yeah, you might click on here, but whatever it comes up, you actually can download like the APK Pure app as well from here, or just like I said, go over to here, and then go to add a home screen, and then you can just install it from here as well. I already have installed. I installed it from like the website, whatever I did. Yeah, I forgot exactly. I started from here. Okay, so once you guys install the APK Pure, app or whatever, or how you guys want to install it. Also, Plot Studio wasn't on there. It's not compatible with my device as well, but I did the same method. But yeah, so now when you go to here, and now you can search up the app or game that is supposedly incompatible with our device. All right, so we skip the ad. As any ads. All right, so then we go to search and search up. All right, we can update that later. So, for example, 11 Labs. Search, and we have to find the right one, which is right here. It's a Rita one. So we'll click onto it and then just click on install, and that's it. Installing right now. Just give it a second. I'm not going to cut this part because I'm going to show you guys, like, I don't want anybody saying, oh, it doesn't work, blah, blah, blah. Okay, app install, as you can see. So now all you do is click on, well, just go back to home screen, and it will be in the home screen. There it is, right there. So now you click open up. Sorry if that was loud. I don't know how loud that was for you guys. Kind of loud for me. All right, and then we can sign into our account. But also, let me show you right now that we go back to the Play Store. Now it says open. So now we actually installed the app. How crazy is that? So yeah, so now we can actually go back to the app and then just sign in, and we should be all good. And here we go, guys. We are inside the 11 Labs reader. If you guys don't believe me, literally just go and search it up, install it for yourself, and you can see this is the actual app, and everything's working. I mean, pretty much, like, you know, like it works completely fine on my device. So why it was saying that was incompatible before, I have no clue. Like, that's what really aggravates me, is that, like, I'm unable to install an app that I really want, right? You know, for no reason at all, like no valid reason. But yeah, everything loads up. It's not like the screen's too big or too small. You know, everything's working fine. So why, you know, it says that in the first place is crazy to me. But this is the way around it. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it, guys. Leave down any comments, like any questions down in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.